This is the ultra of Godian region, mother station Unubi. We are getting prepared for 12-12 program. As it is now, we decided to have an open air service for the 12-12 2019. This is a prepared place for the service 12-12 service. This is the field of Godian region ultra at mother station. Everywhere is prepared for the 12-12 service. This is our house of worship. This is the altar. This is a proposed place for the altar. One of our brothers, Ebuka from Akokwa, is preparing the altar for the 12-12 service. This is the ancestral garden under construction, sponsored by GMA Unubi station. We have already consulted the ancestors, done everything. This is the garden under construction, ancestral garden under construction. This is the house of worship. For the 12-12 2019, we are getting prepared. We have already sacrificed some things for the ancestors. This is the meat we are preparing for tomorrow's feast. This is the chairman of the organizing committee in Kachukudi. He is very good in preparing the pepper soup and the meat for the cooking. This is the school hall at the ultra. This is the bus for Unubi station. These are our quarters. This is the field. Everybody is getting prepared for tomorrow's service. Thank you.